Title: Multiple Intelligence Type Questionnaire. Age group: 13-20. Bodily Kinesthetic Intelligence Type. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence highlights the ability to learn and express oneself through physical movement and interaction with the environment. It includes skills such as coordination, agility, sensory awareness, and concrete problem solving through hands-on activities. Teenagers with strong bodily kinesthetic intelligence prefer learning by doing, excel in tasks requiring fine or gross motor skills, and enjoy physical exploration. During adolescence, this intelligence manifests in a heightened need for physical activity, creativity through movement, and a natural inclination for hands-on problem solving. This questionnaire is designed to assess bodily kinesthetic intelligence in teens, helping educators, parents, and counselors better support their learning and developmental needs through movement-based strategies. Multiple choice questions. 1. What do you enjoy most about learning new skills? A. Trying them out physically or hands-on. B. Observing how they work in action. C. Practicing repeatedly to improve. D. Experimenting with different techniques. 2. How do you feel about working with your hands? A. Confident and focused. B. Curious and engaged. C. Motivated to create something tangible. D. Excited to experiment and build. 3. What type of activities do you enjoy in your free time? A. Playing sports or physical games. Building or constructing things. C. Experimenting with tools or gadgets. D. Practicing dance, yoga, or physical performance. 4. How do you prefer to solve problems? A. By physically manipulating objects. B. By observing patterns and movements. C. By trying different physical solutions. D. By engaging in trial and error through action. 5. What do you enjoy most about physical activities? A. Feeling strong and coordinated. Learning new movements or techniques. C. Engaging with others in team activities. D. Mastering a challenging physical task. 6. What do you notice most about your surroundings? A. How things feel or move. B. How objects are arranged physically. C. Opportunities for interaction or play. How space can be used creatively. 7. What do you enjoy most about building or constructing? A. The process of creating something tangible. B. Experimenting with how materials fit together. C. Finding solutions to physical challenges. D. Using tools to improve or refine the design. How do you feel about group activities? Energized by teamwork and movement. B. Excited to contribute physically to the group. C. Motivated by the opportunity to learn by doing. D. Focused on using physical skills to solve challenges. 9. What do you enjoy most about working on a project? A. Physically building or crafting it. B. Testing and adjusting as you go. C. Finding creative ways to complete the task. D. Organizing materials and tools for the project. 10. How do you prefer to express your ideas? A. Through physical demonstrations. By creating models or tangible representations. C. Through movement or physical performance. D. By experimenting with tools and techniques. 11. What do you find most exciting about teamwork? A. Engaging in group sports or games. B. Building or working on a shared project. C. Learning from others through action. D. Using movement to achieve a common goal. 12. What inspires you most about physical challenges? A. Testing your strength and coordination. Finding creative solutions to complete the task. C. Experimenting with techniques to improve. D. Engaging in hands-on problem solving. 13. How do you prefer to learn something new? A. By doing it yourself physically. B. By observing and replicating movements. C. By experimenting with different approaches. D. By creating something as part of the learning process. What kind of tasks do you enjoy most? A. Hands-on activities like crafts or DIY projects. B. Physical challenges like sports or obstacle courses. C. Movement-based tasks like dance or yoga. Problem-solving activities that involve tools. 15. What do you enjoy most about outdoor activities? A. Exploring the environment through movement. B. Engaging in team sports or group challenges. C. Building or constructing in nature. D. Finding new ways to interact with the space. 16. How do you feel about experimenting with tools? A. Excited to create something tangible. B. Curious about how tools work together. C. Motivated to improve your skills through practice. D. Focused on testing and refining techniques. What do you enjoy about creative movement? A. Expressing ideas through dance or performance. B. Using movement to solve physical challenges. C. Experimenting with rhythms and techniques. D. Learning new ways to move or perform. 18. How do you prefer to work on a group project? A. Contributing physically to building or crafting. B. Testing and refining ideas with the group. C. Leading hands-on tasks or activities. D. Learning through collaboration and action. 19. What do you enjoy most about physical education? A. Learning new sports or techniques. B. Exploring creative ways to use your body. C. Mastering challenges through practice. D. Engaging in movement-based games and activities. 20. What excites you most about hands-on learning? A. Creating something tangible. B. Testing and adjusting as you go. C. Learning through movement and action. D. Solving problems with physical tools. These questions aim to uncover bodily kinesthetic intelligence in teenagers by exploring their preferences for physical activities, hands-on learning, and movement-based problem solving. Understanding their strengths helps guide their development through interactive learning environments and action-oriented tasks. The download links to the questionnaire and an Excel personality test to determine the multiple intelligence type are available in the description box of this podcast.